Day 17 of our challenge. And before I get with the fitness section of my challenge video, I'd like to take a minute to thank Romeo Marquez, first of all, for setting this up, and one of our fellow video challengers, Rick Petrie. Rick, for the past 10 days or so since I've seen one of your videos, that really inspired me. I've been waking up at 4 a.m. I've never done that before, and I've been committed to just keeping myself busy and active and constantly on the go after being inspired by one of your videos. And I really just wanted to take a little bit of time just to say thank you. You probably didn't know that you were doing it, but you did. Now, on to the fitness section. Today, I want to talk about using body weight. We don't have to go to the gym to have a good exercise. We don't have to go to the gym and lift heavy weights to get in shape. There's two exercises that I went over today that I'd like to share with you. One was planks. Plank is a real simple exercise that you can do anywhere. You just need your body weight. You're going to get down on your forearms. You're going to have your hips kind of up, so your butt's kind of pointed. You're going to make kind of an arch with your back, and you're going to stay completely still. You're going to hold this position for preferably 45 seconds to a minute. When you first start out though, try to make it 20 seconds. The other exercise that I'm going to take you through, or that I did today, was pull-up hangs. And I started out, I couldn't do a pull-up, when you first start out. A lot of people are like that. You can't do pull-ups. So this is the best exercise to get your muscles stronger where they need to be. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get like some kind of chair or some kind of bench, something to kind of stand on. And then you're going to go up to, I went up to an arbor, but you're going to go up to a pull-up bar preferably. And you're just going to jump up there and hang. Just hold it. Hold that position as long as you can. And slowly, slowly, slowly work your way down. And then do that 5 or 6 times. Just jump up, hang, and then slowly go down. Slowly but surely, all those muscles that it takes to pull up are going to get stronger from you hanging. It's actually just the working, the deceleration side of the pull-up. Just kind of skipping the pulling part. Well, those are the 2 fitness tips I got for you guys today. Thanks again to Rick. Thanks again to Romeo. Day 17 in the book. Later, guys.